So here we have the Mini Convertible on a 60 plate. So I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside, of course, you can see it's a two-door convertible with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot area of the car first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors and plenty of boot space as well, given the fact that it's a convertible. We've also got that 50-50 split folding rear seat, should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it from there. But now that we've done a full circle, you can see, particularly for its age, it's in fantastic condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. We have the rev counter, as you can see, the digital readout for the speedometer, and beneath that, the total miles for this car. They are 87,973. If I press the button on the end of the indicator stalk, we'll get various different bits of information available in that section. Back around to the beginning again. Over into the center next, we have the main speedometer for the car and the fuel gauge, as you can see. To select our audio options, hit the audio button. We have AM and FM radio, CD player, USB input and auxiliary input as well. You can either press the button that is directly beneath the thing you want to select, or use this dial and then push it in to select any of these things. You can also pair your phone from up on here as well. We have our trip computer. You can configure things like the time when the clocks change, for example. And you can change your bass, treble, fader from there as well. Beneath that section, we have the CD player, the main volume for the stereo, and then the air conditioning. So you can adjust the fan speed, the direction the air is being distributed in, and of course the temperature up and down from here. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly depending on the temperature you've set in here. Beneath that, we have our electric windows for driver, passenger, and rear windows. Deadlocks to lock and unlock the car doors from the outside, front and rear fog lights. And then below that, we have two cup holders, a 12-volt charging socket, and the 6-speed manual gearbox. The button for the roof is just here, which I'm going to show you next. If you put your finger on the button and pull it backwards, the front section of the roof will open first to give you a sort of sunroof area. Go back to the button again. The windows will all go down simultaneously, and the roof section will fold itself away. It's a very quick operation, and that is it, completely done. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at 7daysonly.co.uk. We'd love to hear from you soon.